When it comes to saving money, cooking at home and choosing healthier meals are some of the most effective strategies. By avoiding expensive restaurant bills and fast food runs, you not only reduce your spending but also gain control over what you eat. Here's how eating at home and making smarter food choices can boost your financial health, along with actionable tips to make it happen. The financial impact of eating out. Dining out is convenient, but it comes at a high cost. 1. Cost per meal. A single restaurant meal can cost 3 to 5 times more than a home-cooked meal. 1. For example, a $15 restaurant meal can often be replicated at home for under $5. 2. Hidden expenses. Don't forget about tips, delivery fees, and taxes, which quickly add up. 3. Frequency. Eating out multiple times a week can easily drain hundreds of dollars from your monthly budget. Benefits of cooking at home. 1. Significant cost savings. Buying ingredients in bulk and preparing meals at home reduces the per meal cost. 2. Healthier choices. You have full control over ingredients, allowing you to cut down on unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. 3. Reduced waste. Leftovers can be repurposed into new meals, minimizing food waste and maximizing value. 4. Skill building. Cooking at home improves your culinary skills, making it easier to prepare budget-friendly, delicious meals. Actionable tips to save money by cooking at home. 1. Plan your meals. 1. Weekly meal planning. Create a meal plan for the week to avoid impulse buying and reduce food waste. 2. Stick to a grocery list. Write down what you need and stick to it. 2. Avoid shopping when you're hungry to prevent unnecessary purchases. 3. Batch cooking. Prepare meals in large quantities and freeze portions for quick, affordable meals later. 2. Shop smart. 1. Buy in bulk. Purchase staples like rice, beans, and pasta in bulk to save money. 2. Seasonal produce. Focus on fruits and vegetables that are in season, they're often cheaper and fresher. 3. Use coupons and deals. Take advantage of sales, discounts, and loyalty programs at your local grocery store. 3. Prepare meals at home. 1. Replicate restaurant dishes. Search for recipes to make your favorite takeout meals at home for a fraction of the cost. 2. Invest in basic tools. Items like a slow cooker, pressure cooker, or air fryer can make meal preparation faster and more efficient. 3. Prep snacks. Make your own snacks like granola bars or trail mix instead of buying prepackaged ones. 4. Embrace healthy eating. 1. Cook from scratch. Avoid pre-made meals that are often more expensive and less healthy. 2. Focus on whole foods. Incorporate affordable, nutrient-dense items like oats, lentils, and frozen vegetables. 3. Drink water. Skip sugary drinks or specialty coffees and stick to water or homebrewed beverages. How eating healthy saves you money in the long run. 1. Lower healthcare costs. A nutritious diet reduces the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease, which can lead to expensive medical bills. 2. Increased productivity. Eating healthy boosts energy and focus, which can enhance your performance at work. 3. Reduced sick days. A strong immune system means fewer days off work due to illness, preserving your income. Real-life example. The power of homemade meals. Imagine a family of 4 dining out twice a week at an average cost of $60 per meal. That's $480 per month or $5,760 per year. By replacing those outings with home-cooked meals costing $20 each, the family could save $320 per month, a yearly savings of $3,840. Final thoughts. Cooking at home and eating healthy isn't just good for your body, it's a smart financial move. By planning your meals, shopping strategically, and focusing on whole, nutritious foods, you'll save money and improve your quality of life. Start small, be consistent, and watch your savings grow while enjoying delicious, homemade meals. Make sure you exercise and please like and subscribe. Stay on this channel to hear about intermediate fasting, a way to save money.